I'm Andrew.
I'm Kevin.
Welcome to Brojects.
So with the table underway, we need to start thinking about food.
So it's harvest time in Nova Scotia. That means there's lots of food around for our harvest dinner, which is great. So Kevin and I went on a little road trip.
It's nice to kind of, break out, go for a drive in the countryside, explore the surroundings, get some ideas for the food, for the dinner party.
So we stopped by an artisanal cheese shop and get some cheese for an appetizer.
And then our friend Caroline invited us to go clam digging on her beach.
Maybe clam chowder as a little appetizer.
Or steamed clams or something like that.
Yeah.
Fried clams.
Fried clams would be really good.
We saw a couple wild turkeys roaming the roads, and we thought, well, we should probably grab a turkey, cook up a bird, have a proper harvest feast.
We went to the pumpkin patch, got some pumpkins and decorative gourds, and then we picked up a bunch of fresh corn.
I think it's ready.
There's this big corn maze here too. So like any good big brother, I dared Andrew to go into it blindfolded.
I don't like this.
You're gonna get lost too.
Well then, we'll be lost together, little brother.
Do not trust you.
Why not?
I must have dragged Andrew in this maze for like 20 minutes. The corn stalks are 8 to 10 feet high. There's tons of dead ends. And well, just say, I don't think Andrew knows what he's gotten himself into.
Okay, man, here we go.
1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. Ready or not, here I come.
Jesus.
I was able to grow all this stuff in the time that you took to get out of that maze, man.
It's like a maze in there. Well, we've got some good stuff for dinner anyway.
Yeah, totally.
Hey Walker, time to roll, man.
Okay, so maybe give this a buff and then start cooking. So Kevin's cooking the turkey tonight.
Bacon wrapped turkey.
I'm making up a couple apple pies. This is just gonna be a little dessert for our guests. So I'll get a bunch of apples. I saw a trick that a chef did one time, and they took a drill and they just stuck it in and spin, and then peels apples really quickly. So I tried that. I got the apples peeled up, chopped up, put in. I made a lattice. You don't put any sugar or anything with it. You just pour it all over the top. You put it all in the oven, and it'll be nice and warm by the time we finish dinner.